Matte Texture Styling Paste. Now this is my go-to product for guys and girls who have got short, medium textured hair. Now, how I apply this product and what I love about this product, it creates the ultimate texture in hair with a matte finish. So normally I grab about that much, work it into my hands. Now you can apply this into dry hair or damp hair. I prefer to work it into dry hair. So work it through your hands, you want to work it right through, and then you work it into the hair. Now you can either start at the back and work your way forward, or start at the front and work your way back. But you really want to get it into the roots and work the product through. Now some of the key ingredients in this product, it has beeswax, which provides hold and protection. The castor seed oil contains vitamin E, amino acids, and omega-6 to condition the hair. The carnauba wax nourishes the hair and provides a matte finish. Another key benefit, it's also gluten-free. But as you can see, as I'm working it through, it's creating a beautiful texture through there. It's a matte finish, so if you want, you can wear it more textured and up, or you can wear it a bit more down. But you want to see the texture in this and that matte finish. Beautiful, gives me a nice bit of volume as well. That's matte texture styling paste.